So this is my version. Seriously? Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple, easy chicken enchiladas using the ingredients that you can find in your fridge and pantry. This is what we have for our chicken enchiladas. Corn tortillas, this is the most important ingredient. You can use either flour tortillas or corn tortillas. I have corn here. This is a mixture of jack and cheddar. You can use any other, or there's Mexican mix of cheese, grated cheese. You can use that. I have about 2 cups here, and I have leftover chicken. This is 1 chicken breast. You can use any part of leftover chicken. Corn, about half a cup of corn, about a cup of white beans. You can use black beans or any other beans. Salsa, tomato salsa. This is mild. You can use spicy. You can also use like enchilada sauce. We have also jalapenos here, pickled jalapenos, about 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of cilantro, about half a cup. So use more or less. All right, let's start with our chicken. So you just dump all the ingredients in your mixing bowl. Beans and corn. That, and I'm gonna use half of this cheese because we're gonna need some for to sprinkle at the on top of our enchiladas. All right, I'm gonna use that, most of it, and just save some for the garnish. And just using your hands, try to mix everything. Well, that's it, pretty much. You're done. No, you're not done. All right, next step, you put half of your salsa on the bottom of your baking dish. All right, that should be good. And then you take your corn tortilla and put the filling in it, just like that. And then fold it, and with this part, you just place it gently and tightly. We can, at the end, we all like kind of press all of them so they are tucked and not open. All right, this is the last one. I'm gonna tuck this in. So as you see, they're kind of breaking, but it's okay, don't worry about it. And if you have the leftover filling, just sprinkle on top. That's it. And then you pour more salsa over, or your enchilada sauce, whatever you have or like to use. There you go. Okay, you can also use your hands and just kind of cover it like that, and then sprinkle the rest of the cheese. That's it, you're done. And we're gonna bake this in the oven for about 30 minutes, 350, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and golden brown. So this was my version of chicken enchiladas. I hope you find it easy and delicious. And the good thing with that is that you can prep it a day in advance and then pop it in the oven whenever you're ready to eat it. And that's what we're gonna do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.